Welcome to the Nural Sales App tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Begin by opening the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Attendance tile to access the Attendance module. Here, you can mark your attendance or apply for leave. While marking attendance, select the purpose from the drop-down list. If you are visiting a retail store, choose the Retail Visit option and select the retailer name from the list. If you select any purpose other than Retail Visit, your attendance will go for approval to your RSM. Next, take a selfie and add your remarks. Tap on Check-in to mark your attendance. A message will appear confirming that your attendance has been marked or sent for approval, as applicable. You can view the attendance status directly in the calendar view. To apply for leave, tap on the Leave tab. Select the type of leave, choose the date or date range, enter your remarks, and tap on Apply for Leave. A message will appear confirming that your leave has been successfully applied. You can check the status of your leave in the calendar, where it will be marked as pending, approved, or rejected once reviewed by your supervisor. That's it! You've now learned how to mark your attendance and apply for leave in the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.